Imagine being able to build an online app without ever writing a single line of code. With Lovable, you simply describe your idea in everyday language, and the tool transforms your words into a working website or application. It's designed especially for people who have never coded before, streamlining the process so that you can focus on your idea rather than technical details. To get started, visit the Lovable website and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clear, simple dashboard inviting you to start a new project. In the project area, type out your idea in plain language. For instance, you might say, "I want a personal blog where I can post articles, photos, and videos." Lovable interprets your request and generates an initial version of your app almost instantly. After your app is generated, you have the option to review and adjust it. You can edit components by clicking on elements you want to change, whether it's the color, font, or layout. The built-in editor lets you see your changes in real time, so you know exactly how your app will look and function. If you'd like to add new features or modify existing ones, you just type your request into the chat, and Lovable updates the app accordingly. It even connects to common tools, so you can integrate a database, set up user login, or deploy your app to a live web address with just a few clicks. In summary, Lovable makes app creation accessible by translating natural language into ready-to-use code. It eliminates much of the hassle of traditional development, allowing you to experiment, iterate, and refine your ideas quickly. Whether you're dreaming of a personal blog, a small business tool, or a portfolio website, Lovable gives you the capability to bring your vision to life, effortlessly and without the steep learning curve of coding.